When I came to Thailand, I have seen many clinics doing only HIFU or only RF. They do sell only maybe like 600 shots of HIFU or 600 shots of RF. But normally in Korea, we mix them together. And the reason we mix them together is that you have to know each part of the aspects. Normally HIFU, it only goes into the depth of the tip where it goes, because like normally in Thailand there's only 3 types of tips that has 4.5 millimeters, 3.0 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters. That HIFU tip only goes into the layer where it goes, meaning that if it's 4.5 millimeters, it only goes into the part that it's in that depth. That one is the reason that HIFU has, and it's the strength of the HIFU. But actually for the skin to get a better control, it's not only for the skin or only for the deep part to become tightened. It has to be, all the layer has to be tightened. So when we age, it's not on the skin that becomes less. The bone also gets absorbed, and the ligaments that's holding the skin will also become loosened. So what we have to do is that we have to tighten all these elements. And also HIFU, because it's very strong, it can decrease the fat layer where the fat is like disposed, increase. It's not cost effective using HIFU to tighten the skin, because it only goes into some specific places. So if you want to tighten the skin, you have to have a very many shots. So that's why there comes the RF, because the RF goes into the skin layer just beneath the skin, very vague. It goes into the layer very vague, meaning that it heats up the skin in a very large spot, so that if you do the RF, it'll have the skin tighten in the very superficial layer with a very big size of the tip. Meaning that if you use the HIFU to tighten the deeper parts and decrease the fat, and use the RF to tighten the skin, you can decrease the shots and will have the better effect. And you have to mix the shots, such as if you have a lot of fat, and increase the HIFU shot and decrease the RF shots. And if you have almost no fat, you can decrease the HIFU shots and increase the RF shot. Thank you.